everyone, it's Miss Marcela, and today I'm going to show you how to make an outdoor bird feeder that will attract lots of beautiful birds and look great in your yard. It's simple to make out of empty toilet paper rolls, twigs, and a few other basic supplies. This project is perfect for kids as long as they have an adult to help them. Before we get started, I'll walk you through all the supplies that you will need. The first thing you'll need is an empty toilet paper roll, some bird seed, and something to put it in. I put mine in this white baking dish. The next thing you'll need is peanut butter and a spatula or a knife to spread it with. You will also need a pencil, a hole puncher, 2 thin twigs, and a piece of ribbon or yarn about 16 inches long. If you don't have a hole puncher, you can use something pointy to punch the holes. Okay, so now that we've gone over all the supplies, let's get started on our bird feeder. The first step is to mark the toilet paper roll with the pencil where you want the holes. You'll need 4 at the bottom to hold your twigs, so you'll want to make sure you stagger them so the twigs can easily pass through. You'll also need 2 holes at the top for your hanging ribbon. If you're not using a hole puncher, make sure your holes are big enough for your twigs to fit through. Now we can double check to make sure our twigs fit. Okay, that's perfect. The next step is to cover your paper roll with the peanut butter and cover it in birdseed. Make sure you use enough peanut butter so that the seeds will stick. Be prepared because your hands will get sticky. We're almost done. The last step is to put your twigs back in and add the ribbon. It might be a little tricky to find those holes again, but they're there. To add the ribbon, tie a knot at one end . Feed it through the inside, pull it all the way through, and find the other hole, feed it through, and tie another knot. Just like that. You're done. Now you're ready to take your bird feeder outside. And there's our finished bird feeder, ready and waiting for the birds to come and enjoy it. We'd love to see your finished bird feeders, so take pictures and email them to us at kids@emmaclark.org. See you soon. Bye.